Hey lovelies! If you want to see how I use lip gloss holders to organize my swatch sticks, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. So I got these lip gloss holders from Amazon, but I originally got the idea to use these for organization from Talia's Nail Tales. I'll leave the link, the Amazon link and the channel I got the idea from. I'll leave those links in the description box below. So previously I was just using binder rings and a necklace stand holder, which was cute, but it wasn't very functional, and it was kind of hard to look for certain swatches I wanted, or to add new swatches. So when I saw this idea on another station, I was contemplating it for a while, and then I ended up getting it. So you see me unboxing the lip gloss holders, and they have little little feet on them, little rubber things on them, so it won't scratch up any of your surfaces. And each one comes with 2 extra. They're little stickies that go on. So here's my swatch collection. It's my poly gels, my dipping powders, and my gel pots and gel polishes. So the first set of swatches I'm organizing are my builder gels and my poly gels. There's a few acrylics thrown in there. I don't use acrylic too often. Mostly just poly gel and builder gels. So just separating everything by color, and separating the pinks, like if they're translucent or if they're opaque. I'll play with this organization a little bit later. I kind of wanted to just get everything in there and have a starting point. So the second set that I'm organizing are my dip powders and the colored acrylic powders that I use for dip. And again, just going in, separating the clears, the nudes, my silver and my gold glitters, my black. I left a little space for my poly gels to grow, or the dip powders to grow as well. So I've actually been using a lot of dip powder lately, and it's actually pretty fun. So I'm sure I'm gonna be ordering more, and that collection's gonna grow. The only thing I'm not really sure of how to organize is the nude colors. So I don't know if I should keep the nude colors with the undertone, say the pink is the undertone or a gray is an undertone, if I should keep it with the grays or the pinks, or if I should have my own section for nudes. Leave down below in the comments how you guys organize your nude colors. So this set is all of my gel polishes and gel pots, and I'm just gonna go through and separate those again, leaving a little bit of space because I might separate them later. And again, here I am with the nudes, not really sure. So for right now, I'm gonna leave them in their own separate thing. I really was talking to y'all and was not recording. So what I was saying when I thought I was recording was my gel polish collection's grown a lot. I've only been doing gel polish for a little bit under 6 months. I think that's about right, about 6 months. And previously I was doing just regular polish with the poly gel or the builder gel, and I didn't really see the point of sitting there waiting like 20 minutes for my nail polish to dry, or sitting on the couch for like an hour and a half not moving because I wasn't sure if my nail polish was dry. So I invested in a nail lamp and started buying gel polish, most of which you can see there is pink. But what I do is I try and find stuff on sale or clearance. I also use AliExpress a lot. One of the brands that I get off AliExpress that I think is pretty good is Vinalisa. I do have a bunch of their gel pots, and I believe one of my earlier videos was the swatching of the Vinalisa. It's not a very popular brand, but it's a pretty good brand. So I don't really have chipping or the color fading or anything like that when I use the colors. So I will do another swatch video because I've bought a few of their gel pots recently that I haven't swatched, so I'll do an upcoming swatch video on that. So you just see me organizing the swatch sticks here. And so with my chameleons, I did swatch them over clear, over white, and over black. So what I just do is just put them in the section with whatever the final color is. Like if the final color is purple, then I'm just putting it with the purples. If it's like a sheer color, then I just put it with the sheers and the whites. So you'll see me organizing the rest of the swatch sticks, which isn't very much more, but okay, I don't know what I was saying a few minutes ago. I was talking and then I got distracted. But anyway, so I think I like this so far. I feel that it's going to be easier to move the swatches around. And when I'm thinking of color combos, it'll be easier to pull a swatch from here instead of the rings. So I also think the way that it looks on my on top of my drawers, it looks a little bit cleaner and more aesthetic. What I want to do is, I do have some shelves that I haven't put up. I'm terrible with putting stuff on the wall, but I do have some shelves I haven't put up that I want to put behind my desk, and then I can actually sit those on the shelves. Like, I want to get as much stuff into a drawer or off the top of the counters as possible. I don't really like it to look cluttered in my nail room. Plus, it's easier to keep clean. It's easier to dust all the it's easier to dust when you have less stuff out. So something I'm working on. My nail room is a work in progress. So if you guys have any questions for me, leave a comment below. If you have any suggestions for me, leave me a comment below. If anyone has any good organizational videos, let me know. Leave me a link, or DM me on Instagram a link of any channels I should be watching for organization. So yeah, I keep saying, anyways guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video. Also, I do have a YouTube subscriber giveaway open. Check out my Instagram for that. The link is below.